Greetings. At Gravwell, we make software for DevOps and cybersecurity teams to collect, search, analyze, and automate their way on a quest for omniscience. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here in our own infrastructure, we want to keep close tabs so that no system so much as hiccups without us knowing about it. Now in this Gravwell Operations dashboard, we've got data from a bunch of different sources. By bringing in logs from all these different formats and all these different locations, we can set up automations and we can set up dashboards like this that are unique to us, that help us gain the omniscience that we need. To show you what I'm talking about, here we've got tiles bringing in Apache logs so we can keep tabs on our web services. We've got IPMI CPU information for our on-prem servers to make sure that they're not in danger of meltdown or anything. We've got maps of our clients, we've got SSH logs, we've got sudo commands that are being executed. We have eyes on everything that's happening. And one of the things that's interesting about Gravwell is that all of these tiles on this custom dashboard are driven by search. And to show you what I mean, let's dive into Apache. So this is a brief search that says, hey, let's look at any Apache logs that aren't the 200 response and dive into them. But I could easily come in here and say, I want to see 401 answers. If we wanted to get even more low level, maybe we've got some custom logs or a binary format like packets or a network NetFlow data. All of these queries are driven by that underlying data. If I just say, hey, show me my Apache logs raw, this is what we're looking at. And there's no normalization, no upfront schemas that have to be defined. Gravwell will take the data as it is in its original format, and then when we run these searches and do these automations and analysis, that's when we start to apply structure and get the insights out of the data. And what that means is no question is unaskable. And we can come in and apply structure at query time to take those raw Apache logs and turn them into something that we can actually view from a human perspective and iterate off of. We built Gravwell from scratch with a crack team of engineers to gain that kind of flexibility and also to gain immense amounts of efficiency. Your data is going to be smaller on disk, you're going to get more retention, and it's going to go further. Additionally, we scale out really well. Our largest deployment has done over 100 terabytes per day of data ingestion for search analysis. And the icing on the cake is the pricing model is always unlimited. You're not billed based on EPS or how many user seats or how many queries you run or other nonsense like that. It's a clear total cost of ownership because you deserve omniscience. You deserve to be able to ask and answer any question that you can imagine. So check us out, get a demo, try out the community edition. It's free for commercial use. Embark on your quest for omniscience. We'll see you out there.